guest to keep the pace, to save your face, to never make the place. But do you even run a race? Alright, that's the two main parts of Sarah by Alex G. I'm going off of a YouTube video he did in Ford Theater. Alright, starts out, you don't have to play this like he does, but if you want to, you could do a G. I'm just playing on the low strings. Maybe down to the G. Slide up to 7 and 8, and that's a C chord. Playing the open strings. And then we go ring finger. It's already on the, or actually middle finger is already on the 7th fret. It's the E, so you're kind of playing like an open E. And then we go to an A power chord. Go back to the C. Ends on G. Okay, if you have to, it's a lot of chords, rewind it. And then the verse part, or the main part of the song, you're on the G, so you go E minor, A minor, C major 7, stay there, G, F, D, A minor, C major 7, G, F, E minor, A minor, C, G. The key of the song is the key of the song is G. So you can play out of the E minor. Alright, you can play out of E minor. Thanks for watching. Bye.